Hello and warm welcome to our Nourish Eco Village. My name is Emotion and I'm the brand ambassador for Nourish Eco Village. And we are thrilled to welcome Powerjaar to our community. And today I'll be telling you some of our Nourish pillars. The Nourish Eco Village supports education from early childhood development to high school level through various initiatives. And we have ECD Crash, which serves 60 plus children daily, which is our Rise Educate. And it's the heart of early childhood education, and it extends its impact by supporting 6 additional crèches in the community. And we have Green Kids Club, which is an after-school care for 260 plus children from primary and secondary school, which come to the Eco Village daily. And it offers a dynamic space for learning and growth. And also extend its reach to 7 different community-based schools by providing environmental education and organizing enriching conversation-based field trip. And that's Nourish Place of Ubuntu. I am because we are.